Weekly forecast 27 July till 2nd August. For all of you, based on moon sign, based on your Vedic astrology, each and every prediction based on moon sign. These weekly forecasts have no relevance whatsoever with sun sign prediction. For all of you. Aries weekly conclusion. In this coming week, lots of running around. You'll take a lots of cooperation, understanding of your well-wishers. There will be lots of solution to your problems, complication, new project, new planning, new ideas will be developed. There will be a rise in status, prestige and honor. You'll come across lots of financial gain and prestigious, prosperous opportunities. You'll end up in spending more money. Do refrain from foul temper and out of control behavior. Otherwise, you'll end up in a huge arguments, conflict and with out of control aggression. You can ruin a lot of things. Aries, you'll have to plan to create a change in your business, profession, career. You have a solid plan and you'll implement it. You may contact a lot of professional people, qualified decision maker. You'll be blessed with financial gain, improvement in your circumstances. You'll come across many obstacles, professional challenges. Your expenditure will be higher than your imagination. You'll come across many obstacles, delays, domestic complication. You've got to look after your health. Regarding your back, regarding your eyesight, regarding lower abdomen, any issue, may I say that, linked with male or female health, and any issue, with if you have an issue regarding lower abdomen, you must go and see the doctor. Taurus weekly conclusion. In this coming week, there will be professional progression, new financial progressions, new professional financial opportunities. You're meeting lots of new professional people, getting the support, guidance. Due to many professional complications, you'll be quite upset and annoyed. Beware of cheating, deception, fraud. Refrain from any conflicting situation and arguments. You'll carry lots of secret tension and go through lots of secret enemies. There will be stress level beyond your imagination. A lot of health issues. You'll come across health complications and hassles. Blessed with major obstacle, delays and complication. There will be fruitless running around, major struggleful situation, hassles and sometimes too much tensions and complications and circumstances. You'll be going through family relationship clashes, disputes linked with inheritance. You're blessed with financial gain and family comforts. You're blessed with new project ventures and ideas. Gemini weekly conclusion. In this coming week, there will be rise in running around, rise in tension, health complication, rise in efforts, creativity and activities. Most of your expenditure will be on luxuries and lifestyle. There will be a major obstacle, delays, complication and vacuum appeared in front of you. There will be a rise in bravery, efforts and creativity. You'll come across lots of unexpected expenditures, lots of difference opinion with loved one. You got to watch your temper. Otherwise, you'll end up in a financial disputes, left, right and center. You'll come across many major struggleful situations and complex situations, but your efforts will be rewarded. Beware of financial losses, especially if you're involved in any joint ventures. There will be a few different opinion and ego clashes, but refrain from out of control attitude, hastiness, behavior. More you become hasty, rush in actions, more decision, more you will ruin things. There will be few secret tensions which you won't share with anybody. Do take care of your health and well-being. Your expenditure can be sky high. You'll travel around and carry lots of secret tensions. Cancerian weekly conclusion. In this coming week, you'll have a lots of running around. Most of your effort struggles will be rewarded. There will be few domestic professional complications. You'll come across lots of running around. If you're in a business, self-employed, then you'll go through lots of changes. Maybe change of place regarding job, profession and residence. You'll be in contact with highly professional people, decision maker. You'll be participating in a lot of social events and religious events. You'll be tense and overexcited, sometimes getting carried away with your emotions. Beware of cheating, deception, fraud. You'll face lots of professional problems and unnecessary hassles and complications, but you've got to deal with few realities. Due to over expenditure, you can be under debt. You got to be careful whenever you deal with any legal issues or legality. Do consult any legal expert before you sign any legal contract. You got You got to be extra careful whenever you're driving. You have a few income resources with major challenges, complications, hassles. Beware of sudden traveling. Your patience, your determination will help you out in any difficult circumstances. Health-wise, do take care of your head and skin. Leo weekly conclusion. In this coming week, you'll come across lots of uncertainties, major obstacles, delays, complications. Beware of legal conflicts with higher authorities. You'll come across major professional fluctuations, hassles, but at the same time, you'll come across lots of professional financial opportunities and income resources. You'll be in contact with a lot of professional people, powerful people. Your income can be low, expenditure will be higher than your income. Go through quite a few secret tensions. There'll be fruitless running around. You got to work hard for your gain, success, prosperity. You got to watch your behavior, conduct, mannerism, and dealing. Otherwise, you'll come across lots of family relationship differences, many family clashes for no reason. By weekend, your temper can be higher than your imagination, so please control yourself. Beware of headaches, blood pressure, domestic arguments, conflict. You got to be extra careful about your drive and step. Please do exercise your applied wisdom and common sense. There will be family relationship differences, clashes, but with you will get the support and backing. Virgo weekly conclusion. In this coming week, go through professional and personal challenges and opportunities at the same time. You'll have to work hard for your gain, success, prosperity. Your efforts will be rewarded. You'll achieve your rewards and objective. There will be few domestic challenges and complications which can cause major concern for you. You'll have a few different opinions which needs to be resolved for the best. By the weekend, you must look after your health regarding stress level, eyesight issues, well-being. Your expenditure can be sky high. Please do not waste your time in fruitless activities. Beware of enemies. You'll come across majors running around, obstacles, delays, and complications, hassles, financial losses, unnecessary family relationship, arguments, conflicts. Sometimes peace of mind, mental contentment won't be there. You have to deal with secret rivals. Libra weekly conclusion. In this coming week, you'll come across lots of rise in expenditure, fruitless running around, restlessness. You'll have to exercise patience, determination in order to achieve dignified achievements reward. With your hard work, determination, enthusiastic approach, new planning, new ventures, new projects, everything will be materialized. But everything will be, you have to work really hard and you got to be very much focused. More you become active, creative, dynamic, more you will achieve. You'll come across major obstacles and delay in everything you do and perform. Most of your efforts will be handsomely rewarded. Do take care of your health and well-being. Beware of family arguments or conflict. If you're traveling, then please be careful and beware of cheating, deception, and financial losses. By the weekend, your circumstances will improve. A lot of unfinished task projects will be done and dusted. Your expenditure will be quite higher than your imagination. You really have to work hard for your accomplishments. You'll be in contact with highly professional people, decision makers. There will be lots of running around and hassles. You'll get the support and encouragement. Scorpio weekly conclusion. In this coming week, your efforts will be dignified, and with family support, you'll achieve something dignified and you'll be rewarded. You'll have a lots of personal and professional complication. Do watch your temper and out of control behavior. You'll come across lots of official obstacles, delays, and complication. But with your extreme effort, your past problem will be resolved, done and dusted. Your expenditure can be sky high. You'll be blessed with income resources and happy occasion. There will be professional prosperities, professional opportunities, professional accomplishments. You'll go through quite a few hardships and struggles. Do watch your temper, behavior, and dealing. Your income can be low, expenditure will be higher than your income. You must look after your health and well-being. There will be few delays in completion of few important tasks, projects. Your expenditure can be sky high, higher than your imagination. You'll be blessed with income resources, but with your hard work and creativity. Do watch your drive and step. Sagittarius weekly conclusion. In this coming week, you'll be blessed with new income resources. You go through lots of financial, professional fluctuations, unexpected struggles. You go through lots of professional obstacles and family differences. Beware of any family professional losses or any kind of losses in the business or personally. If you're in a joint venture, you must be extra careful. You must look after your health and well-being. Your temper can be higher than your imagination. You'll be quite restless due to domestic situations. Refrain from any kind of laziness and any kind of layback attitude. Do take care of your family health, happiness, harmony, peace of mind. You got to invest listening, passion, love, affection, care in your family relationship. With the help of your family elders, you'll be able to complete a lot of your unfinished task projects. You might involve a deal of a car or property. As long as you use your common sense, applied wisdom, most of your problem will be resolved. Stop winding up yourself. Do spend only where you need to spend. Do not lend anybody any money. Capricorn weekly conclusion. In this coming week, you come across lots of running around, tension. Sometimes your income can be low, expenditure can be sky high. You'll come across many major obstacles, delays and complications. There will be lots of running around, unnecessary expenditures, family relationship clashes. There will be fruitless running around, unnecessary tension, struggles and adverse type of circumstances. Refrain from being lazy, otherwise lots of your projects can be out of track. You cannot rely on any third party. You have to get up and do everything by yourself. You have to work hard for your gain, success, prosperity. Your struggle will be rewarded. You go through major professional challenges. Your comfort, due to this particular time period, your comforts can be affected due to Mars position. But hard work is required for your dignified rewards. You have to work hard. You got to look after your health, your personal relationship. Sometime expected success won't be there. Your relative will be supportive, no doubt about it, but you got to look after your relationship with your relatives, with your supporters, please. There will be great improvement in your circumstances. You make lots of plans for the future, but you have to be on guard and alert to refrain from any kind of unnecessary row, family relationship conflicts with anybody. This is not the time to show aggression or ego. Nope. Aquarius weekly conclusion. In this coming week, you'll come across many professional issues, complications, lots of running around, obstacles in completion of your important task projects. Do not waste your time in fruitless activities. Your income can be low, expenditure can be sky high. You must look after your health and well-being. You've got to look after your health and family relationship. Beware of living conflicts in your personal life as well as in your professional life. Beware of foul temper and aggressive approach. You might go abroad and travel around, but you have to be on guard. You must keep a close eye on your rivals, on your enemies. Do take care of your eyesight. You will be making a lot of new planning, new ventures, new ideas. You got to put extreme effort for your recognition, appreciation and rising. You can do that. You can achieve it. Pisces weekly conclusion. In this coming week, you'll come across domestic complication. You'll come across lots of running around. Your income can be low, expenditure can be sky high. Do watch your financial transactions. You'll get the friendly support, help and guidance for your rising. There will be improvement in your finances. You'll travel around. You've got to look after your behavior, presentation and dealing with higher authorities. You'll go through lots of professional fluctuations, complications. Your income can be low, expenditure will be higher than your income. And you'll go through a lot of few struggle-ful situations. There will be a few different opinions and clashes in your family relationship. There will be a rise in family relationship expenditures and there will be a rise in family commitments. Sometimes you can be quite tense due to family relationship. And sometimes there will be a lot of tension due to recognition, appreciation and rising. And sometimes atmosphere is there, you got to deal with a few tricky situations. You must be aware of family inheritance, conflicts, arguments. There are few family politics is going on. There are few pockets of politics. You got to handle the situation very delicately. If you're in a business partnership or joint venture, then you got to be extra careful. Otherwise, you will end up starting a new unnecessary huge argument or conflict which you don't need at this particular moment. Political situation is delicate. You got to handle it very carefully. Watch your words, please. Many thanks for watching this weekly horoscope. Would you like to know more of what this coming week going to bring for you regarding situations, circumstances, scenarios? Would you like to know how you're going to do in this coming week regarding your actions, regarding emotions and visions? Would you like to know more about the events happening in this coming week? Would you like to have some guidance regarding decision choices you're making in this week and how you can overcome and resolve most of your hassles and complication and awkward situation and waste of time in this coming week? If your answer is yes, then what you're waiting for? Please get your very thorough moon sign weekly horoscope report on video as well as written. Do visit our website prakashastrologer.com because I want you to win in every situation and be self-content and happy.